Hello, what's up, guys? This is Unique English in Amharic. How are you doing? Today, we're going to learn about passive and active voices of all past tenses.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
So, are you ready for that?
Let's do it.
All right. Let's see from simple past tense እንሞክር. Come on.
Okay.
ከሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ እሺ፣ አንድ ሲምፕል የሆነ ነገር ሰጥሻለሁ። እሺ፣ ቼክ ለማድረግ ከመጀመሪያው ማለት ነው። ይሄንን ከአክቲቭ ወደ ፓሲቭ ትቀይራለሽ።
Okay.
She made coffee.
ወደ ፓሲቭ ልቀይረው?
Yeah.
The coffee was made by her.
The coffee was
made by
her.
Yes.
ለምንድን ነው made ያልሽው አሁን እዚህ ጋር?
የሜክ ፓስት ቴንሱ ስለሆነ ነው።
The verb 3 form of make is made አይደለም?
Yes.
So when you change simple past tense, what is the form? Formu ምንድን ነው ማለት ነው? Passive formu was or were plus verb 3 form of the main verb አይደል?
Yes.
Was or were
Yes.
plus verb 3.
Yes.
ምን ይባላል ይሄ ማለት ነው? ምን ይባላል ይሄ? Passive form of simple past. Okay, let me give you one more.
Okay.
ልጨምር ማለት ነው.
እሺ.
All right. She ate oranges.
She ate oranges?
Yeah.
The orange was eaten by her?
Oranges.
Oranges.
Plural.
Oh, the oranges.
Uh-huh.
The oranges were eaten by her?
The oranges were eaten by her.
Yes.
Say.
The oranges were eaten by her.
The oranges were eaten by her. Very good. ለምን ነው were የተጠቀምሽው እዚህ ጋር?
Orange
plural.
Yes.
ስለዚህ plural ከሆነ ማን እንጠቀማለን? were singular ከሆነ ደግሞ wasን ማለት ነው.
Yes.
So the passive formation of simple past tense is was or were plus verb 3 and then by. ሁልጊዜ by የሚለው ያስፈልጋል ማለት አይደለም. There is a time that we leave it. ምን ተውበት አጋጣሚ ይኖራል ማለት ነው. Is that okay?
Okay, yes, yeah.
በጣም ጥሩ. All right. That's so good. ይሄ ምንድን ነው?
The passive voice of
simple past tense.
Simple past tense. Yes.
ስለዚህ the passive form of simple past tense ማለት was እና were ከዛ verb 3 ከዛ by ማለት ነው.
Okay.
All right. ስለዚህ how do you know whether a statement is active or passive? active መሆኑንና passive መሆኑን እንዴት ነው የምትለየው?
Active ሲሆን the doer of the action comes first. ከዛ like passive ሲሆን ደግሞ the like actionኑ ይቀድማል።
Passive ሲሆን the receiver of the action comes at the beginning.
Yeah.
If it is active again, the doer of the action comes at the beginning of the sentence.
Yes.
All right, interesting. So, come on. አሁን ሌላ ሰጥሻለሁ ማለት ነው.
Okay.
ሌላ ሰጥሻለሁ. አሁን ፓሲቭን ነው መልሰሽ ወደ አክቲቭ የምትቀይረው.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Okay, let's try it.
All right. I was given lunch. I was given lunch by my sister. I was given lunch by my sister. አሁን ይሄ ፓሲቭ ነው አይደል?
Yes.
I was given lunch by my sister.
My sister gave me lunch.
My sister gave me lunch. Very good. My sister gave me lunch.
Okay.
All right? ስለዚህ ወደ ፓሲቭም ተሰጧችሁ ወደ ምን መቀየር ትችላላችሁ? ወደ አክቲቭ። አክቲቭም ተሰጧችሁ ወደ ምን? ወደ ፓሲቭ መቀየር ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው. Is it clear?
Yes.
All right, very good. አሁን እነዚህን አሁን ደግሞ ትሰሪያለሽ ማለት ነው። መጀመሪያ አሁን አክቲቭ ፎርሙን ነው የምትነግሪኝ ማለት ነው።
Okay.
Past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense.
Yeah, past continuous tense active formuን ንገሪኝ።
Active form?
What is the active formation of past continuous tense? መጀመሪያ ምን ማለት ነው past continuous tense? እዛው እየተረዱት እንዲሄዱ ማለት ነው። What is past continuous tense? What is its function? ምናምን የሚለውን ነገር ሞክሪ እስቲ።
Past continuous የሆነ አክሽን ላይክ ፓስት ላይ ተፈጽሞ ግን ላይክ ስቲል እንትን ምን ነው የሚባለው
ፕሮግረስ ላይ ያለ
yes
አይደለም። ፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቴንስ ማለት ምንድነው? it was in progress in the past ማለት ነው። right ከዚህ በፊት እንደዚህ እየተደረገ ነበር ስትይ ማለት ነው። ሲያልቅ አላየሽውም ongoing የነበረ አክሽን right ስለዚህ ምን ይባላል ይሄ ፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቴንስ። ለምሳሌ እየበላው ነበር፣ እየጠጣው ነበር፣ ሻወር እየወሰድኩ ነበር፣ እንዲያደረግኩ ነበር፣ እንዲያደረገች ነበር። alright ለምሳሌ ወንድሜን አየሽው እየሄደ ነበር፣ ሄዶ ሲጨርስ ግን አላየሽው። on progress ነው ያየሽው፣ ሂደት ላይ ነው ያየሽው
ማለት ነው።
የተባባለ
okay yes.
alright interesting ስለዚህ can you give me some examples of past continuous tense? example አፍታ ነገር ነው ያልኩሽ።
She was walking home.
She was walking, right?
Yeah.
She was walking. Very good. She was walking. That's nice. Okay, let us.
He was eating.
He was eating.
Yes.
Zay በሚለው
They were playing.
They were playing. We were
chilling.
We were chilling. Very good. You were
You were sleeping.
You were sleeping. አሁን እነዚህ I was, he was, she was, it was they were, we were, you were ብላችሁ ing ሲጨምሩ ድርጊቱ እየተከናወነ ነበር እንደዚህ እየሆነ ነበር እንደዚህ እየተደረገ ነበር ከሌ እንዲያረገ ነበር ምናምን ስትሉ ማለት ነው ኦኬ አድርጓል ሳይሆን እንዲህ እየተካሄደ ነበር ስትሉ ይሄ ምን ይባላል past continuous tense all right past continuous tense ይባላል this is what is the active form of past continuous tense was or were plus ing ምንድነው ማለት ነው there is a subject there is was or were plus ing ማለት ነው የተገባ ነው all right interesting ስለዚህ አሁን አንድ ምሰጥሽ ነገር she was making coffee what does it mean በአማርኛው ይሄን ማለት ነው
ቡና እያፈላሽ ነበር
አፍልታለች ወይስ እያፈላች ነበር በጣም ጎበዝ ቡና እያፈላች she was making coffee ቡና እያፈላች ነበር ይሄንን አሁን ወደ ፓሲቭ
the coffee was being made by her
the coffee was
being made by her
very good the coffee was being made by her right okay በጣም ጥሩ ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው ማለት ነው being የምትል ነገር ተቀመሻል አይደል ስለዚህ what is the passive form of past continuous tense
I guess it's being
okay being ምን there is was or were
plus
being then verb 3 then by ማለት ነው all right ስለዚህ ምን አልኩኝ was or were plus
verb 3 no being plus verb 3 plus
by ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ምን ይባላል ማለት ነው ይሄ passive form of ምንድነው ማለት ነው past continuous tense ማለት ነው right past continuous tense ስለዚህ she was making coffee she was making coffee all right ስለዚህ the coffee was being made by her የመጀመሪያው ቡና እያፈላች ነበር ነው አክቲቭ አይደል ቡናው በሷ እየተፈላ ነበር am I changing the tense or the structure of the sentence አሁን passive and active ብዬ ስጽፍ ቴንሱን ቀይሬዋለሁ እንዴ
no
ታይሙ አልተቀየረም ማለት what am I changing no the structure or the pattern of sentences ነው እየቀየርኩ ያለሁት ማለት ነው all right ስለዚህ the coffee was being made by her okay የቀድሙን ምን ስንወስደው ማለት ነው she was eating oranges
okay she was eating oranges
yeah አሁን she was eating oranges መጀመሪያውን ማለት ነው ብርቱካኖችን እየበላች ነበር አሁን ደግሞ የምትይ ደግሞ ብርቱካኖች በእሷ እየተበሉ ነበር
okay so is it the oranges were being eaten by her
very good the oranges were being eaten by her
yes
very good እስቲ እንደገና
the oranges
were
being eaten by her
ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ፎርሜሽኑ ምንድነው ማለት ነው was or were then being then verb 3 and then by ማለት ነው እዛ ይቀጥላል by ሁሌ ማስፈላጊ ላይሆን ይችላል ብያለሁ ቀድም ማለት ነው okay the oranges were being eaten by her right so I'm not changing the tense but I'm changing the pattern or the structure of sentences ያረፍተ ነገሩን ቴንስ ሳይሆን እየቀየርን ያለ ነው ከአክቲቭ ወደ ፓሲቭ ስንቀይር ምኑ ነው እየቀየርን ያለ ነው ስትራክቸሩ ነው እየቀየርን ያለ ነው all right በጣም ጥሩ አሁን these things must be considered to change from active to passive ከአክቲቭ ወደ ፓሲቭ ለመቀየር እነዚህ ነገሮች አሉ አሁን የሚያስፈልጉ ነገሮች ምን the verb must be transitive ምን ሆነ አለበት ግሱ
transitive
ተሻጋሪ ግስ መሆን አለበት do you know the meaning of transitive
not really
a transitive verb is a verb that takes an object ምን የሚወስድ
okay
object ማለት ነው
the
ተሳቢ ማለት ነው
I really don't know
ድርጊት ተቀባይ right ተሳቢ ይባላል the receiver of the action is called an object አይደለም ኦብጀክቱ ምን ይባላል receiver of the action ማለት so there should be the receiver of the action there should be an object to change from active to passive ከአክቲቭ ወደ ፓሲቭ ለመቀየር አረፍተ ነገሩን the verb must be transitive what's a transitive verb ተሻጋሪ ግስ and what is ተሻጋሪ ግስ object የሚወስድ subject verb object ይባላል አረፍተ ነገር ስንሰራ subject verb object አይደል ስለዚህ object የሚወስዱ ምን አይነት ግሶች ናቸው transitive or intransitive transitive verbs ስለዚህ the verb must be transitive and there should be a door of the action ምን መኖር አለበት ድርጊት አድራጊ መኖር አለበት ግሱ ምን መኖር አለበት ግሱ transitive or intransitive transitive and there should be an object ስለዚህ ምን መሆን አለበት subject verb object መኖር አለበት ወደ ከአክቲቭ ወደ ፓሲቭ ለመቀየር አሁን ጥያቄ አለኝ ታዲያ ይሄንን ወደ ፓሲቭ እንድቀይርልኝ ማለት ነው she was going to school she was going to school
she was going to school
yeah she was going to school yeah she was going to school yes እናንተም እየቀየራችሁ she was going to school
I really don't know
huh
she was going to school
yeah she was going to school
I don't know
she was going to school she was going to school hey she was going to school she
was going to school I really don't know
she was going to school is like let me tell you like is going a transitive verb or intransitive ones
is it intransitive or
how do you know that whether it is transitive or intransitive
I don't know I don't know
Brooke Mokrin she was going to school change this one from active to passive this let me tell you this going is intransitive you cannot change it ትምህርት ቤት እየሄደሽ ነበር ነው አይደል can you say ትምህርት ቤቱ በሷ እየተሄደ ነበር can you say like this is it logical
no it's not
it doesn't make sense አይደል it doesn't make sense why it doesn't make sense ለምን ነው ስሜት ነገር የማይሰጠው
okay like
because the verb go is not transitive ተሻጋሪ ግስ አይደል በላ ተበላ ያለሻል አይደለም በላ ተበላ ገዛ ተገዛ ማለት ይቻላል አይደል ሄደ ትምህርት ቤቱ በልጅቱ no all right okay now she was sitting on the chair she was sitting on the chair she was sitting on the chair yeah she was sitting on the chair
still እንደዚህኛው ነው it's like how do we change that
yeah I want you to change it
no
the verb sitting is intransitive again right you cannot change it መቀየር አይቻልም because አሁን እንደዚህ ብል ማለት ነው እሷ ወንበር ላይ ተቀምጣለች አይደል እሷ ወንበር ላይ ተቀምጣለች ወይም ተቀምጣ ነበር አልኩኝ አይደል ቴንሱ መቀየር ትችላላችሁ እሷ ወንበር ላይ she was sitting on the chair ወንበር ላይ እየተቀመጠች ነበር ወንበሩ በእሷ እየተቀመጠ ነበር you can't make it እንደዛ ልትሉ አትችሉም ማለት ነው የፈለገውን ቴንሱ በቀያየሩት ይሄንን ወደ ምን መቀየር አይችልም ወደ passive because the verb sit is intransitive ምንድነው
intransitive
it has to be transitive መሆን ነበረበት አይደል እንዴ okay interesting አሁን ወደ ሌላኛው እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው
okay
she had made coffee she had made coffee ወደ past perfect net past perfect ምንድነው በመጀመሪያ የሩቅ ኃላፊ የሚባለው አይደል የሩቅ ኃላፊ የሚባለው ፎርሜሽኑ ንገረኝ እስቲ
past perfect
past perfect tense
I don't know
had with verb 3 ምንድነው
had with verb 3
with verb 3 is called a past perfect tense አይደለም እሺ ቀጥይ እስቲ እዛ
the coffee was
yeah she had made coffee
okay she had made coffee the coffee had been made by her
the coffee had been made by her very good ስለዚህ ምንድነው what is the past form of past perfect tense ምንድነው ማለት ነው መጀመሪያ አክቲቭን ተናግረናል had plus verb 3 form of the main verb አይደል ፓሲቭ ደግሞ had been
okay been ይጨምራል እሱ
yeah had been plus verb 3 ምንም እዚህ ጋር ትቸገሪ ማለት ነው የተገባነው had been plus verb 3 had ራሱ ስላለ ከዛ been መጨመር ነው verb 3 በራሱ verb 3 እዛኛው ላይ ስላለ ራሱ ማድረግ ነው so የሩቅ ኃላፊ ሲሆን past perfect ወይ pluperfect tense ይባላል ይሄ ሲሆን ምን ነው ተጠቀሚው had plus verb 3 is an active form and had been plus verb 3 is the passive form of this tense ማለት ነው is it clear በጣም ጥሩ አሁን እዚህ ላይ ሌላ ሰጥሻለሁ ታዲያ
okay
they had made good friends they had made good friends they had made good friends
good friends were made by them
where
made by them
I
know I heard yes
good friends
had been made by them no
good friends had been made by them
okay
very good እንዴት ለምሳሌ had been እኮ ቅድም ነግሬሻለሁ passive form had been then verb 3 አላልኩሽም እንዴ ስለዚህ ከዚህ ጋር መጀመሪያ verb 3 ተሰጥቶሻል had made የሚለው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ good friends had been made by her የተገባ ነው and what will be the next tense ከፓስት ቴንሶች የመጨረሻው ማን ነው past perfect continuous tense ምን ይባላል
past perfect continuous
እስቲ examples እስቲ
past perfect
continuous tense active-un ማለት ነው
active I don't know I'm not good at this
had been with ing active ማለት ነው had been with ing for example she had been
making coffee
yeah she had been making coffee እስቲ በሲ
she had been making coffee
she had been making coffee all right this is called ምን ይባላል tense past perfect continuous tense so አራቱ ቴንስ አለ ከምን ያወራን simple past past continuous past perfect continuous tense አይደለም እንዴ ስለዚህ she had been
making coffee
she had been making coffee had been with ing this is an active form እሺ ወደ ፓሲቭ ቀይሩ
the coffee had been made by her
now ይሄማ ፓሲቭ እንትን ላይ አድርግሽው እኮ past perfect ላይ አድርግሽው እኮ አጤ the coffee had been being made by her
okay being ይሆናል
እስቲ ሲነገና በሲ the coffee
had been made by her
no the coffee had been being made by her
the coffee had been being made by her
yeah it's unnatural actually it's occurred በጣም unnatural ነው ይሄ ነገር ማለት ነው ነገር ግን ፓሲቭ ፎርም ብዙ አንጠቀምበትም ግን ነው የተባባነ no all right okay እንደዚህ ሲል ሰው ሰምተሽ ታውቂያለሽ
no
right okay being made by her
ጭራሽ
ሰምተሽ አታውቂም አሁን አሳይመንት እንስጣቸው
እሺ
I bought a t-shirt
okay
I was buying a t-shirt I had bought a t-shirt and I had been buying a t-shirt
okay
እነዚህ ስንት አረፍተ ነገሮች ናቸው አራት
yes
በአራቱ ቴንስ ማለት ነው በእነዚህ ቴንሶች ምን እንዲሰሩ ነው ከአክቲቭ ሰጥቻቸዋለሁ ወደ ምን እንዲቀይሩት ነው ወደ passive sentences comment section ላይ ቀይሩ አስቀምጡ እኛ correction ሰጣችኋለን this is unique english what you can learn english uniquely anybody who is interested in learning online or face-to-face classes you are welcome ከዚህ በተረፈ CMC ሚካኤል በአካል እንገኛለን መጣችሁ መማር ትችላላችሁ እንግሊዝኛን በሚኒ ግሩፕ በግሩፕ በፕራይቬት ክላስ እናስተምራለን እንዲሁም ደግሞ ማቴሪያላችን ገዝቶ መጠቀም ፈልግ ሰው ካለ ቪዲዮ ዲስክሪፕሽን ስር ዌብሳይታችን ሊንክ እናስቀምጥላችኋለን በጣም የሚያማምሩ መጽሐፎች አሉ እነሱን ገዝታችሁ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ መልእክታችን ነው ባይ